снимаю уже. Но я хочу пройтись и снять.
Well, they're too busy trying to fix the app.
Yeah.
Look how fast the shed is since it's moving the ship around.
The town's small. It follows
What? It's getting
И вот пароход.
That works, doesn't it? There's somebody.
Интересно, он еще есть у меня там на viewfinder, там где я снимаю? Где еще есть там? Вон еще там.
but they've already put a water. Well, that's a sign right there. It's not, that's a huge water.
Yeah.
blow off the clouds up there. Abandoned in the dark. We could take it an hour to
Okay, let's just take a quick review of the big four names from history that taught us what we know and taught us how we learned what we know now. The first one is Nicholas Copernicus, the guy who comes up with the sun at the center instead of the earth, which solves a huge amount of problems. The next guy is Johannes Kepler and his laws of planetary motion. The big breakthrough there was that orbits are not circles, they are ellipses, which explains a lot more of how and why eclipses happen and the sequences and the gaps that they do. The next guy is Isaac Newton, explaining why those planets and why the moon orbit the bodies that they do. And again, I guess we gotta throw in Galileo a little bit. He gives us the optical proof that the Earth is not the center of everything by showing folks not pictures, but views of Jupiter and its 4 Galilean moons that are named in honor of Galileo, and the first undeniable proof that Earth is not the center, that Jupiter is the center of those moons, that the sun is the center of all the planets. Eclipses happen about 6 months apart. Let me rephrase that. Eclipse seasons happen 6 months apart. And the reason for that is that the Earth has to get halfway around in its orbit of a year long, or 12 months. So it goes from one side of the sun to the other side of the sun to get lined up with the moon at the right time and the right place to give us a solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse. And the reason I had to correct myself and say seasons is we just had a lunar eclipse 2 weeks ago when the moon was on the opposite side of the Earth where it is today, blocking the sun. In that case, the sun's light is blocked out by the Earth and the moon becomes dark. Here it is 2 weeks later, half the amount of time it takes for the moon's orbit for it to come over on this side, and now we get the advantage of having the sun blocked out and seeing the spectacle. We're coming up on 1:45 the hour right now, and that is my cue to sign off and let you guys enjoy the incredible spectacle that you're about to see. Remember, the next one is Second Contact in totality. Just before that, you should be able to see Bailey's beads and the diamond ring effect. And then the next big thing after that is 4.5 minutes later, we'll have Third Contact when the moon moves completely off the disk. of the sun. I will talk to you in about 45 minutes.
Seriously? Let's not have any trivia music. Let's just focus on what's coming up next. And what am I going to do?
Но она вроде в фокусе.
Вот звезда.
Смотри.
I will sign off. If you see me anywhere around the ship at any time, do not be afraid to stop, say hi, ask questions. I will explain everything that I possibly can to Skywalker's Lounge. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next Princess Cruise.
Ну интересно, садовый.